My name is Marissa Jones. I've only been bowling for about 2 years, but I started when I was younger, but I ended up switching sports, so I didn't stay with it for so long. My whole family bowls on my mom's side and my dad's side, but me and my dad really never had a good relationship, so bowling brought us closer together. My favorite part about being on the bowling team is we do 2 games and then 2 Baker games. Baker games, we cheer and we all get really close together. We have certain cheers for certain pins that fall and stuff like that, so it's really exciting and a bunch of fun. If we get a strike, the person that gets a strike, but most of the time it's me because our girls are kind of quiet, I say, can we get 2 claps and a hand raise, and we just clap twice and then go like this and say woo. No, actually I didn't have any friends on the bowling team, but all the girls, I would consider them my friends now. We bonded and made a good connection. My favorite part about bowling is the strategy and skill that you have to put into it, the concentration, when certain pins fall, you have to move certain different ways. Oh, my high game, so bowling's at a 300 and I think it's a 278. I have 1 dog, his name is Prince. Am I eating mac and cheese? Mac and cheese is my favorite food. Oh my goodness, I love mac and cheese. So when I'm down in a game, depending on who's there or what type of game it is, if it's a normal match, I normally look at the boys team and they hype me up and they give me motivation to keep going. Or if my mom or dad's there, I'll turn around and look at them and they'll just nod their head and they'll be like, you're fine. And then I can just pick it back up. My advice and why you should join the bowling team is we're a really good group of students that are pretty close. The girls are pretty close with the boys team and we all get along super well. It's a fun environment, a good place to be. I feel that bowling changed my life because I get closer to my family. I'm closer to other students that I wouldn't normally be close to. And I feel like it opened my friend group up a lot. Thanks for having me.